In this video, we're going to walk you through the utilization of your advanced wired controller. To start, you can simply press the power button on the left-hand side to turn the system on. Now you can see that the word cool is illuminated. Simply pressing the OK button in the center of the controller will allow you to select between cool, dry, fan, heat, or auto. Again, remember to use the up and down arrows as this is not a touchscreen controller. Toggling over to the right, we can see that we're now on the fan mode, or the fan button. Pressing the OK will allow us to select either auto, turbo, high, medium, or low fan speed. Pressing OK will set it for you. Moving over one to the right using the directional arrows, we can get to the blade or the louver icon. Pressing the OK will allow us to set that louver, which will vary depending on the product you're working on. Whether it's fixed, swing, if you're using a 4-way cassette, you can set each blade individually. Scrolling over to the last icon on the front, you'll see wind-free mode. Pressing the OK button will allow you to toggle wind-free on or off for the unit you're connected to. Now, if we go ahead and push the gear icon, we can see some advanced settings that we'd like to set. We can enable the unit into quiet mode. We scroll over to the right, we can enable the unit in sleep mode. For units that have the ability to have that long wind function or that great throw, we can enable the longer throw. Going over to the right, we can program a schedule. Now you'll notice there's two icons that are not illuminated, and that's the Purify icon and the Air Quality, as our products currently do not support indoor air quality accessories. If we scroll down and to the left, we can see the Energy icon. When we press that, we'll be able to see energy usage, or we can select our energy settings. Let's take a look at the usage real quick. And we can scroll through the different modes: instantaneous power, weekly energy usage, monthly energy usage, or even yearly energy usage. When we press OK, we can see the yearly energy consumption, and we'll get a graph that shows what it's consumed over the last calendar year. We use the back symbol, we can scroll down, and we can even see the yearly operational time. Pushing the back arrow again will allow us to back up through the navigation menus. In this one, we could set our energy settings as well. Full details on all of these values will be found in the installation and the user manual for your controller. Next, we can scroll over to the options, press the OK button, and in there we can set some general options that your end user might want to set up, such as enabling button lock, or maybe coming down to the error list and seeing any of the fault codes that have happened with a timestamp, so those can be relayed back to the servicing contractor that might come out. From there, we can either hit the back button to go all the way back to home, or we can press one of the other modes. Now, there is an advanced setup menu in here that we have an additional video on, but I'll show you how to get into the service modes. You'll simultaneously press the temperature up and down buttons. You'll reach the service mode and you'll need to enter the password. The default password is 0, 2, and then 0, 2. Press OK. And from there, you'll see all the various options you can set, including the indoor unit options, indoor unit and ventilator options, which will allow you to even change your product options, your installation options, all from the wired controller by simply going in and changing each segment individually. At any time that you want to return back home, you can just press the home icon or the back icon and continually press that till you get back, and you'll be back to your normal display. To learn more about the advanced functions, please refer to our YouTube channel and see the video on how to set the advanced functions on your advanced wired controller.
For service manuals and other documentation, please visit our website at samsunghvac.com or use our Samsung HVAC mobile app to download any technical documentation. Thank you.